Hello, this is a very rare event. This is a part 2 to the last video. I didn't want to throw away what I already had, but I wanted to add some extra stuff to the program itself that accented and highlighted the various channels. Part of what I left out in the last video is covering how you could use these different channels as risk and reward. And that's the part that I wanted to add to the program visually. Each of the markers are now colored appropriate to their channels. The green channel is level 1, the orange channel is level 2, the red channel is level 3, and the blue channel is level 4. So, because of this, I wanted to differentiate and make it easier to see how to use the risk-reward comparatives where you purchase here, sell at level 2, and sell at level 2 here. But the question is how do you sell at level 2 here when this is a buying line? I eliminated the need to double stack. So now when you go to place your alerts, wrong button. So let's go through the process of placing an alert. You could actually buy on a given level, and you can sell on a given level. Now, for the purposes of the demonstration, I want to buy on level 1, sell on level 2. So using buy level 2, you can use your sell message in your alert box to force Potato Harvester to sell at that level. Now you do need to be aware that it is going to confuse the DCA module if you use it. But by using this approach, you can use it as a mock stop loss. So this type of a construct will now let you pick and choose exact levels or any matching level, no matter where it takes place. Sell asset is the same way. Any matching level for sell asset. So this now works with a duality of purposes within a single construct. You do not need to double stack these modules, as previously mentioned. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time.